High above the lush canopy of the Amazon rainforest, a vibrant scarlet macaw named Paco soared through the misty morning air. His brilliant red feathers glistened in the dappled sunlight that filtered through the dense foliage below. Paco had lived his entire life in a small clearing near the edge of the vast jungle, but today was different. Today, curiosity had gotten the better of him, and he had decided to venture deeper into the heart of the Amazon than ever before. As Paco glided over the treetops, his keen eyes scanned the verdant landscape below. The forest stretched as far as he could see in every direction, an endless sea of green punctuated by winding rivers that snaked through the terrain like silvery ribbons. The air was thick with humidity and alive with the sounds of countless creatures hidden within the dense undergrowth. Descending through a gap in the canopy, Paco alighted on a sturdy branch of a towering kapok tree. From this vantage point, he could observe the teeming life of the forest floor. Colorful bromeliads and orchids clung to the tree trunks, their vibrant blooms a stark contrast to the deep greens and browns of the surrounding vegetation. A rustling in the nearby foliage caught Paco's attention. Peering closer, he spotted a group of capuchin monkeys swinging effortlessly from branch to branch. Their agile movements and playful chatter fascinated the curious macaw. He watched as they foraged for fruit, their nimble fingers deftly peeling back tough skins to reveal the sweet flesh within. As Paco continued his exploration, he encountered a slow-moving sloth inching its way along a branch. The sloth's languid pace and content expression were a stark contrast to the energetic monkeys. Paco marveled at the creature's ability to hang upside down with such ease, its long claws perfectly adapted for life in the treetops. A flash of iridescent blue caught Paco's eye, and he turned to see a morpho butterfly fluttering past. Its wings shimmered like living sapphires in the dappled sunlight. Paco followed the butterfly's meandering path. This led him to a small clearing where a group of toucans were gathered. Their enormous, colorful beaks and striking plumage left Paco in awe. He watched as they used their oversized bills to pluck berries from nearby branches with surprising dexterity. As the day wore on, Paco ventured deeper into the forest. He flew alongside a flock of parakeets, their cheerful squawks echoing through the trees. Together, they soared over a winding river. Paco spotted pink river dolphins breaching the surface, their rosy hues a surprising sight in the muddy waters. Near the riverbank, a jaguar lounged on a low-hanging branch, its spotted coat providing perfect camouflage among the dappled shadows. Paco held his breath, marveling at the power and grace of the magnificent predator. The jaguar's eyes, alert and intelligent, seemed to follow Paco's every move. As the sun began to set, painting the sky in brilliant hues of orange and pink, Paco realized how far he had traveled. The forest had revealed so many wonders, each new creature and plant more fascinating than the last. He had seen more in one day than he had in his entire life in the small clearing. With the encroaching darkness, the nocturnal creatures of the Amazon began to stir. Paco heard the haunting call of a howler monkey in the distance and watched as fireflies began to dance among the trees, their bioluminescent displays creating a magical atmosphere. As Paco prepared to return home, he reflected on the incredible diversity of life he had encountered. The Amazon rainforest was truly a world unto itself, teeming with countless species, each uniquely adapted to life in this complex ecosystem. He knew that this adventure was just the beginning, and he couldn't wait to explore more of the wonders that the rainforest held. With a heart full of excitement and a mind brimming with new experiences, Paco spread his wings and took flight, already planning his next journey into the magnificent Amazon rainforest.